Hey everyone, I'm Aarti Sachdev and welcome to my creative space. I have been on this artistic journey since 2022, exploring sketches, paintings with passion and dedication. Art isn't just what I do, it's who I am. I started with simple sketches and over time I pushed myself to create hyper realistic artworks. It wasn't easy, but passion and practice made it possible. This channel is not just about my art. It's about proving that art isn't just a hobby. It can be a career, a purpose, and a way of life. At times, when I feel down, whenever I need motivation, I look at these quotes. They remind me why I choose this path, why I listen to my heart, and why I keep creating. In this channel, I will be sharing my journey, tutorials, hacks, and creative ideas to inspire you. If you love art or want to follow your passion, this is the place for you. So, if you believe in chasing dreams just like me, hit that subscribe button so we can learn together. Let's prove that art is not just a hobby, it can also be a future